What's up guys, my name is Chef Shazli and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my new drone. I ordered this drone online and to me it was not what I expected that I got there. I'm sure you want to know what is inside, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the pack of the drone. As you can see, it's a nice pack. Let me unzip it. Wow, I love the packaging. It comes with a lot of accessories, and that is the manual guide for the drone, which allows you to know more about the drone. In order to use the drone, you have to read it first. You read it to know how to use the drone, how to on it. It comes in two different languages, English and Chinese. So for those who are into English, you read the English. For those who are Chinese, you read the Chinese. But make sure you read this manual so you won't damage the drone. The manual was there for a reason. So after that, you also have this manual for the controlling of the drone. This manual is about the app you use to control the drone. In order to use the drone, you need to download an app online. So this is the manual on how to download the app and how to use the app. As you can see, it comes with a lot of accessories, like it is used to control the drone movement from left to right, to the landing of the drone or to the flying of the drone. As you can see, it also uses batteries. It's a non-rechargeable joystick. You have to use your battery, and once the battery runs out, you have to buy another one. It is only the drone that is a rechargeable drone. This is the handle where you put your phone in order to view the movement of the drone, and this is the battery. And these are the guides. The guides, you put them beside the drone fan in order to prevent it from breaking. It's also a good protective pack. Just make sure you use them in order to protect your drone. And here is the charger. It comes with the USB charger which you use to charge it. And here is also a mini screwdriver for you to lose the drone in case there's any problem with it. And you also use it to lose the drone. And here comes the drone. As you can see, it's a small drone, so I think this should be a mini drone. There are other drones bigger than this, very big, but this is a mini drone. I just love the fact that it is adjustable. You can adjust it to many sizes. You can make it small to fit in the pack. So I think that's a nice design by them. As you can see, it's also made of plastic. It's not metal, so I think that's a nice design. This is the camera. The camera is rotatable. It moves up and down. And this is the spare battery. As I told you, it comes with two battery. This is the spare battery. It's inside the drone. In order to use this battery, you just have to slide it inside the drone. In order to on the drone, you just have to click down on the on button. Then it's going to blink off the blue light to show that it's already on. As you can see, it's blinking the light, which shows the drone is on. I love the fact that it has this fancy light, which is a nice stuff. As you can see, the light is bright. It's a really bright one. So in case you are flying the drone in the night, it should be very visible. I love it. It looks like a toy, but it's a drone, just like the helicopter. It has the structure of this helicopter. So this is on button. It says on. In order to off it, you just have to click on the button back, and it's off. The light is off. As you can see, it has this small iron below. I guess that is the service for the Wi-Fi. It also has camera below, which means it has two camera at the top and camera below. You can see it's a nice design. I love the texture. I love the name put in there, Pete. So I'm going to make a video on how to fly the drone next. So thank you guys for watching this video. So please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.